This is our patrol panel, and I'm going to rip this tape off to see if the holes are in the right place. This is very hard, Daddy. No, thank you. It doesn't want to come off the holes. No, thank you. I did the first one, so I can do the second one. And now after I peeled all this off, we're going to test out the little whites and switches. So just that's the switch and that's the white. And now we'll test the switches first. So where's one of the big holes? That's a big hole. And then we get a little white and put it on there. So, see that white? Oh, that just fell down. So you have to make them stick right in. The white doesn't. So now, that's it. So we've just got this control box here. It's got a nice train background, and there's somebody that controls the blue line, and somebody that controls the yellow line. So that's where the wires are going to join on, and they're all going to sit in here. And those little holes are all the holes here. Some more of those switches gonna go in some of those holes like this, and we've got lots of them over there. This is where the wires are going. These are the hinges. There's about 1, 2, and 3, and my dad painted it, but he put a wire under it, a nail under it, and he closed it on there, and he opened it up, took that off, and sprayed it again, and made a bit over there, and he put that layer on, and that middle bit on, plastic, and put nails in to hold it in. This is under here is a really good sable. It's got little circle bits to hold it up.